How to create a Binance account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can sign up for Binance. So to do that, first of all, download the Binance app on your mobile device and then simply open it. Now once you've opened the Binance app, you will be taken to this page where you will be basically provided with two different options. You can either sign up for Binance or you can log into your Binance account if you already have an existing Binance account. Now since we don't have a Binance account and simply want to create a new one, we'll tap on the option sign up. After that, you will be taken to this page where it will again provide you two different options. You can either sign up using your phone number or your email address, and if you'd like, you can also sign up using your Google account. So for now, I'll simply choose with phone or email. Now once you've done that, you will be taken to this page where you can enter either your personal email or your phone number. Depending upon the one you choose, simply enter it over here. So for now, I'll simply enter my phone number. Now once you've done that, simply create a new password for your Binance account. Now once you've done both of those, make sure you have ticked on the box which says I have read and agreed to Binance terms of service and privacy policy. And once you've done that, tap on the option create personal account. And now they will send a 6-digit verification code to either your phone number or your email address depending upon the one you chose to enter. So the code should arrive any moment, and once you've done that, simply copy the code and then paste it over here. After that, tap on the option submit, and it will say phone number verified or your email address verified, and there you have it. That is basically how you create a Binance account or sign up for Binance. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.